Dato Shri Ismail Sabri bin Yaakob for Beira since March 2004. He served as the 15th leader of the opposition in the Paktan Harapan, a component party of the BN coalition which is aligned with the ruling PN coalition. He married Dayton Mahani Zanal Aberdeen in 1986. His son Gaddafi Ismail Sabri popularly Daffy was a former student of Academy Fantasia Season 5, an entertainment reality show that is now a singer. Ismail Sabri started his schooling at Sakola Ka Bangsan Bangaon in 1967. He then continued his education at Sakola Meninga Airputi, Kungan in 1973 and Sakola Meninga Teknik Kungan, Pahang in 1976. He then studied Form 6 at Jaya Academic and continued his studies at the Faculty of Law, University of Malaya in 1980. The title of his LB thesis is Linen Terhadap Tahanan Politik di Malaysia. He started his career in 1985 as a lawyer. He was appointed as member of Temerlow District Council in 1987 and member of the Temerlow Municipal Council in 1996. In 1995, he was appointed political secretary to the Minister of Culture, Arts and Tourism, Datuk Sabbaruddin Chik. He also was appointed to the Board of Directors of the Pahang Tenggara Board in 1995 as well as the Malaysian Tourism Promotion Board in the same year. Before entering Parliament in 2004, Ismail Sabri served as chairman of the National Sports Complex. In 1987, he was appointed member of the Temerlow UMNO Division Committee. Then, in 1988, he was appointed as Temerlow UMNO Division Information Chief. In 1993, he was promoted to head of Division Youth Movement, deputy head of division and became head of Temerlow UMNO Division in 2004. Ismail Sabri was elected to Parliament in the 2004 election, becoming the first member of the new seat of Beira. He was re-elected in 2008 election, and was appointed in the cabinet of Prime Minister Abdullah Badawi as Minister for Youth and Sports. He served as Federal Minister of Rural and Regional Development. On the 20th of December 2018, he was appointed to carry out his duties as the new UMNO Deputy President after his incumbent was elected President from the 18th of December 2018. He was appointed as the leader of the opposition in Parliament from 2019 to 2020. In 2015, Ismail Sabri sparked a firestorm of protest over his Facebook post urging Malay consumers to boycott the monopolizing and profiteering Chinese businesses who discriminate non-Chinese entrepreneurs, arguing that it was necessary for Malays to exercise consumer power to prevent profiteering by the Malaysia's ethnic Chinese that control over 90% of Malaysian economies. In reply, political analyst Wan Saiful Wan Jan, head of the Institute for Democracy and Economic Affairs think tank, said in personal capacity that any Malaysian voter regardless of race would be repelled by Ismail's comments. I think the reaction of any right-minded Malay or Chinese who believes in Malaysian unity would be of disgust. And I think, or at least hope, that the Chinese voters will remember what he said when it comes to the vote. Inspector General of Police Tan Sri Khalid Abu Bakar stated that the minister would be investigated under the Sedition Act 1948 and Ismail Sabri has since deleted the Facebook post in 2015. Ismail Sabri once again provoked controversy when he proposed to set up Lo Yat 2, a digital gadget mall expected to house solely Malay traders. Malaysian Chinese Association, a component party of Barisan Nasional, criticized the proposal. MCA Publicity Bureau Chairman Datuk Chai Kim Sain labelled Datuk Ismail Sabri Yaakob as a regressive cabinet minister for his proposal. MCA President Datuk Seri Liao Tiong Lai said that the setting up of Lo Yat 2 would only hurt racial relations, and described the proposal for the Bumiaputra only mall as an antagonistic approach. MCA Public Services and Complaints Bureau advised Ismail Sabri to approach issues from a multiracial viewpoint and stop making ridiculous statements such as, Chinese traders are profiteers and a Malay-only Lo Yat 2, and said that, we are appalled at Ismail Sabri's attempt to apply his race-centric thoughts onto the issue of Chinese schools and to accuse others of being Racist, his thinking is completely illogical. And this mentality of his must be discarded at once in order to become a true minister for all races. Fellow UMNO member Saifuddin Abdullah also criticized the proposal, saying that Ismail Sabri's proposal would not be beneficial to Malays and Malaysians in general, pointing out that having business areas where traders are separated by ethnicity will only backfire. Many Malay netizens also criticized the proposal, with many mocking the concept of Low Yat 2 Sarawak United People's Party, a Barisan Nasional component party. Youth leaders later lodged a police report Ismail Sabri, claiming his speech on Low Yat Plaza 2 for Malay traders on Tuesday was seditious. The ministers also demanded the state authorities bar him from entering Sarawak. Sup Youth Central Publa.